Hey man, I've been saying it for a couple of years now, especially when it comes to major GRs, those OGs that Nike go and mass produce. Nike never sells out, and tomorrow we will be seeing a restock already for the Air Jordan 4 white cements. I'm gonna give you guys all the details, especially for you guys that did not get a W. This is a perfect opportunity for you to snag a pair for retail. Let's chop it up about this restock tomorrow happening. Let's get right into it. What's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another video, man. It's always greatly appreciated, man. Your boy been on a tear with it, and I just seen this information pop up today, and I had to come on here and chat with you guys. You know, we talk about restocks, shock drops, all types of stuff over here on the channel. If it's your first time here, make sure you sub up, hit the notification bell so you miss out on any updates, any news, any rumors, any of that stuff, man. We talk about it all over here on the channel. So sub up, hit the notification bell, and please, man, run them likes up, man. Every single like counts, and it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content. I'm gonna help a couple of you guys out that did not know about this shock drop. Comment it down below, and please, man, run them likes up. All right, so like I said, man, for major releases like these, I can even think back to the Bread Reimagines, a couple of those other, notable sneakers that, we've been waiting on for a while, and they never sell out. It's always a Jordan Reserve. It's always a restock somewhere. And for the Air Jordan 4 white cements, you guys know there were pairs everywhere. So when I was in Atlanta picking up my pair, bro, I could have got like 3 or 4 pairs, you know what I'm saying? If I was really that greedy, I just needed 1 pair because I already have the 2016 pair, which are still in good condition. But again, man, these pairs everywhere, so Nike needs to let some of that stock go. And guess what, man? JD and Finishline will be doing a restock. And with their restocks, bro, there'd be a lot of pairs on the restock. You see a lot of people going back and getting a pair for retail. And it's gonna be some people that's even, contemplating on doubling up, because when's the next time that we will see the white cement Air 4s, just based off of, historical on how they drop their releases. We probably won't see these for another 6, 7 years, maybe even 8 if we push into the right, you know what I'm saying? But again, we will see them again. But if you wanna get a fresh pair, you're gonna be rocking these for a while. Tomorrow is a day on JD and Finishline. Give you guys all the details, the time, all that good stuff, so let's hop into it. Okay guys, so tomorrow, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, JD and Finishline will be restocking these Air Jordan 4 white cements. So make sure you already got everything you need ready, card information, shipping address, all that good stuff, and just load onto the site. I know it's gonna be a lot of traffic. I'm telling you, I'm not gonna be the only person talking about this restock. It's gonna be pretty much flooded everywhere across, social media platforms. And usually when it comes to major releases on sites like Foot Locker, JD, Finishline, the site always buffers. They let people in, sell them, they let them in, onesies and twosies to get a pair. So if you're already on the site, you might be in a better stance in terms of getting into it and actually securing a pair. But with the amount of stock that we did see for these Air Jordan 4 white cements, I don't think that will be the issue. I think it's gonna be plenty of pairs. There's probably people on the fence on going back and getting that double up, but there's a lot of people that did take L's. Based off the video I did drop on the release date, a lot of people that took L's, which is quite surprising how easy it was for me. But again, different locations are, different. Some pairs, some places might not get a lot of pairs. I know when I was in Nike Atlanta, they had literally they had to have like 1,000 pairs altogether. People just getting pairs, walking out all around Linux. I was like, bro, this is crazy, you know what I'm saying? But again, if you're one of those people, one of those people that did not get a pair, tomorrow is the day. And I won't guarantee you get a pair, but it's gonna be a good shot, a good fair chance for you to cop a pair of the white cements for retail, which people saying could be the sneaker of the year. I don't know. I don't agree with that. That's not my sneaker of the year personally. Me personally, it is the Foam Posite Galaxies. And there's a couple of 2As or 1Bs, if you want to put it like that, for me in terms of the best shoe to release of 2025. So again, tomorrow, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, restock for the Air Jordan 4 white cement. You gotta have these OGs in the collection. Again, I wasn't too pressed about it because I do have the 2016s. But if I didn't have them, I would have definitely went crazy in terms of excitement for these joints. But again, it's just it's a fresher pair, bro. I just refresh my pair, respawn a crispy pair of the white cements. But again, you guys let me know if you have a pair or if you're going to be trying to get this pair tomorrow on the restock from JD and Finishline. If you guys not checked my video yesterday, make sure you guys go tap into it. Let me know what you're going to be securing for June. We got a crazy stack month. I feel like this is probably one of the most stacked months in terms of releases all in one. I know February is pretty stacked, but June, bro, we got a lot of heat coming from Nike, and it's gonna be hard in choosing. You gotta be very, very responsible in terms of copping sneakers. And you can't just go out there and get everything, even though you can. Even though we can get the shoe, we can, you know, get it whatever shoes we want. But again, you gotta be responsible. You can't be buying all these shoes. You gotta prioritize which ones you really want. You know what I'm saying? In June, it is a lot of stuff coming out. So you guys let me know what you're gonna be copping on yesterday's video. We did a full breakdown for Nike on what they're gonna be releasing for us this summertime, man. But I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. Again, sub up to the channel, hit the notification bell. Shouldn't miss out on any content that we do drop over here on the channel. And make sure you run them likes up, man. Every single like counts. And again, if you need anything, bro, hit me up on Instagram. It will always be linked down below in the description box, man. So yeah, all out the way, bro. Remember, tomorrow, restock. Original 4 white cements. Don't miss out. Tomorrow, JD and Finishline, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.